Come along with me today as we look at what may be some of the oldest rocks exposed on the surface of the earth. These rocks and another display which I'll be showing you are from the Beartooth Mountains and in particular Beartooth Pass. My good friend Art up in Montana, he several years ago stopped all along Beartooth Highway, pretty much wherever he can stop, and collected me a beautiful assortment and collection. So let's check it out today. Welcome back to the channel if you've been with us before, and those of you who are new, welcome to Chris's Granite Paradise. Let's look at some rocks and some geology together. Beartooth Pass is along US Highway 212 between Red Lodge and Cook City, Montana. The highway switchbacks up and over part of the Beartooth Plateau, crossing about 3 billion years of geology in that short distance. Archean and other Precambrian rocks were lifted 15,000 feet or so during the Laramide Orogeny. Geologically speaking, there is what's known as the Stillwater Complex, and I think that's also newer. That was a huge igneous body that contains a lot of metallic ores. In fact, that's why there was so much gold mining, silver, and other things around Cook City and places like that, was because of the Stillwater Complex. I'm going to show you now a I'm embarrassed to say I've been using it as a door stop. It's a nice door stop though. That's what you get to do when you have lots of rocks. There's a pile of cores. Like somebody had dumped a truckload of cores back in there. Probably back when they were still mining. They were all overgrown with ferns and stuff. I grabbed a handful of them and cut them to length, glued them together, and made this, what I call a paperweight. So I'm guessing that these are part of the Stillwater Complex. On a sunny day, you would see a lot of pyrite in these. But here's a really cool xenolith. You've got, that looks like a porphyry there in the middle. All kinds of stuff. I wish I would have grabbed more. But remember, you know, I didn't own a house back then, didn't have anywhere to put stuff, so I didn't have a reason to collect a lot of stuff. I just took enough to make this little project. According to my research, the road does cut directly through this rich 2.7 billion year old treasure trove, and a number of today's specimens are likely representing it.